Wow. Oh, I missed that. Shit. So we have storms that are coming across and we have storms that are coming down.
Yeah.
It's intense. Is that what it looked like on radar? Coming across and down?
Yeah.
Like almost like two different lines?
Yeah. Well, there was one going down and there was one coming from New York that was going to collide with it.
I definitely got that. Hold on. No, there's still more behind us.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, I know. The lightning is just so intense.
Feel like air cooling down, Tom?
A little bit, yeah.
That's what it was doing up in Charlestown before we left.
Well, I think this is more of just a line of storms. I don't think there's going to be much circulation. There could be in some places. Well, as far as I know, we have a big updraft base right in front of us. A war cloud could form out of that.
That's why Tom keeps on that and we don't. Wow, dude. That picked up quick.
So what's the rain indicate?
We're just getting into the storm.
Yeah, we are.
Here comes the downburst winds.
Mark, keep an eye behind you for anything.
Just keep it down. Well, no, I'm just like, I don't know, that time it doesn't matter. It's like catching thunder. This could just be the beginning. How thick was the line of storms, do you think?
Oh God, if I guessed, I'd get 10 miles long, maybe. Not even.
Somewhere around there, dude. Maybe a little bigger.
Oh wow. Like, oh man.
The tail end of it.
Listen. There's so much lightning with this. This is almost as good as. Oh, look at the strong winds blowing up. We got very strong winds now. Sort of. Not very fast right now, but it could pick up. The power just flickering too. Over there. I bet my dog is probably shitting herself. Here come the stronger winds right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. This is a downburst.
Oh, it's larger than a fucking hurricane, dude.
This is not a good spot, Tom, with all those plants that you can crash into or
I feel like shaking. I can fucking feel the power of it.
Guys, listen. This might be a derecho storm, which means it's a line of thunderstorms that's been producing damaging winds for a long time. Well, who knows for sure. I'll explain it to you later. I just want to record this.
I can feel the power of this storm. This storm is a beast.
Oh, I know. Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just... Man, those winds are probably... Like CG over there. CG means cloud ground. Those winds are probably gusting up to 60.
There goes my trailer skirting.
Nah, man, You got a piece up.
I probably got it on camera, I was pointing that way. I would not be surprised if this is a derecho. I've been waiting for this for a while. Now that we're out of the strong winds,
We're back into the lightning though.
yeah, we're getting to the main part of the heart of the actual thunderstorm. Where all the lightning is. Where most lightning is. Something like that, I don't know. Oh shit, I can definitely feel it in my beard. Everything's getting electrified right now. Everyone, just stay calm.
What do you mean everything's getting electrified? Huh?
Lightning might strike very close very soon.
I feel in my leg hairs. Just the electricity around you.
I don't feel a fucking thing, man.
Just keep your arms and stuff away from the outside, like what I'm doing. I think so much feels pretty good. Oh man.
Getting some winds again, man.
Yeah, I know.
Picking up.
So, wow. There's this right over there.
Yeah.
Right.
That was only.
Let's listen to the thunder for a little while. I want to hear another good one.
The longer it rumbles, does that mean anything?
No.
No.
Not really. It just means it was probably a really long lightning strike. Let's just watch the storm, man. It's gonna get bad. There's still a lot of lightning behind us, I think. Tell you one thing, derechos are some of the only storms that have this much lightning other than supercell thunderstorms.
It's like a 1 in a million, you know, almost.
Not exactly.
You don't get them that often, though, do you?
Well, we don't get them. I mean, less derecho that we've had. I don't know. I can't go into history right now. I'm trying to concentrate on this storm.
Alright.
We had derecho on July 6th, June 6, 2005, and that's the last really good one that I remember.
You okay back there, Mike?
Okay. So it was probably getting quite severe when she called us, and now we're getting
What she had.
sort of, yeah, similar conditions.
Just one right after the other.
You've got the same idea.
Alright. Either that or turn it. Oh, getting gas.
Yeah, they can probably do that electronically. Unless they think we're getting gas, but we're not. We're just sitting here.